This is going to blow your mind. Sometimes your 4x4 problem is an easy fix. Let's get your Silverado back in action. Here's what you need to check. First, check if the 4x4 switch on your dashboard lights up when you try to engage it. No light? That could mean a blown fuse or a faulty switch. Pop open your manual, find the fuse box and check if any fuses are burnt. Next, listen for a clicking or whirring sound when you try switching to 4x4. If it's silent, the actuator that engages your front wheels might be dead. These actuators are common failure points, especially in older Silverados. Now shift your truck into neutral and try engaging 4x4 again. Sometimes the transfer case just needs a moment with less stress to switch modes. If that works, you're golden. Still stuck? Crawl under your Silverado and inspect the wiring and connectors to the transfer case and front axle actuator. Look for loose plugs, corrosion, or broken wires. And finally, if everything looks fine but 4x4 still won't engage, it could be a mechanical issue inside your transfer case or front differential. That's when it's time to call a pro. Don't guess. Start simple, check the basics, and save yourself a trip to the shop. Keep your Silverado ready for anything.